शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Combined Defence Services Examination, commonly known as CDS, is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. The exam is conducted for recruitment of commissioned officers in Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Selected candidates undergo training at Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy and Officers Training Academy. The exam is held twice a year, usually in February and September. Lakhs of students appear for the exam. CDS application form should be submitted online only. The application fee can be paid both online and offline. The application form contains two parts. In part 1 registration, candidate will have to fill basic information. In part 2, candidates will have to fill payment details, upload photograph, signature, photo identity card, select their exam center and agree to the declaration. In part 1 registration, candidates need to enter personal details, educational qualification and address. In personal details portion, candidates need to enter their name, gender, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, nationality, marital status, and community. In educational details, candidates need to enter their educational qualification. In address part, candidates need to enter line 1 address, line 2 address, line 3 address, state, district or city, PIN code, phone number, mobile number, email ID and confirm their email ID at the end. Candidates should verify their application details such as name, gender, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, nationality, community, address, phone number, PIN code and email address. They should also verify their educational qualification and the photo identity card number. Candidates can make changes, if any, by clicking the update button. After verifying all the details carefully, candidates should confirm the random image and agree to the terms and conditions and submit the registration form. After successfully submitting the registration form, your registration ID will be generated. Please note down the registration ID as you will require for further communication with UPSC. Your application will be treated as incomplete and rejected unless you complete Part 2 registration. So, to move to the Part 2 registration, you need to click the tab "Click here for Part 2 registration." In the next page, candidates need to upload their scanned photograph, signature and photo identity card. The scanned photograph needs to be uploaded first. The scanned photograph should be in JPG format. The digital size of the file should not be more than 300 KB and not less than 20 KB. The scanned signature should be in JPG format. The digital size of each file should not be more than 300 KB and not less than 20 KB. Next, you need to upload photo identity card document in PDF format only. The digital size of PDF file should not exceed 300 KB and must not be less than 20 KB. In the next page, candidates need to enter their photo identity card number and select the exam center. Once you are done with this, read the declaration and agree to it and submit the application form. After submitting the application form, you are advised to take printout of the application form by clicking the Print Application tab. With this, we are done filling CDS application form. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. Keep watching for college exam and course related information. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our Shiksha YouTube channel for more such videos. You can also like our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram page. The link of these pages are given in the description below. See you soon and happy learning.